p.m. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again.
Yeah, you ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated.
Guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be installing a cold air intake for the TSX. Got my boy right here, Jason. Got all the boys here today. Got Dan, got Joe, got my cousin Milan, got Storm here. So yeah, we're gonna be installing this Injen cold air intake on the TSX. So let's get right into it. Alright, so to install the cold air, what we have to do is obviously take the stock one off. We got to remove the battery. We'll see whatever we need to remove as we go. A couple lines here and there. So we're going to start by removing everything. Alright guys, so this is the progress. We took off the bumper. Please make sure you guys don't break the clips over here. If you do, you're screwed. The bumper won't look the same anymore. And we did take out the battery. We took out the stock airbox here. We still got to take off this stock airbox. And then after we do that, we should be good to go on putting the cold air in. And we got to connect some of these lines. So we'll show you how to do that. Alright, so this is what we did so far. We deleted the coolant line. We don't need that anymore. We got the coupler on the throttle body. We got the PCV all mounted in, all the holes in. So now what we're gonna do is continue our way down, put the filter on, the rest of the couplers, start putting the battery back. We gotta put the bumper back, and then we're gonna start it up. All right, all done. Intake is in, battery is in. We're ready to start it up. You wanna go start it up? You got the key? Nope. Alright guys, the intake is installed. We are in the car right now and we're gonna do a couple pulls and see how she sounds. So this car has about 245,000 kilometers on it, and it has never experienced the real VTEC. It's about to. So let's see. So the first VTEC pull. These ones, the VTEC is at 6,000. So we gotta go take it to this Mexico street right here and then take it past 6,000. Sounds good. Stuck anymore. Sounds good. So the next mod that he wants to do is probably exhaust. So we're gonna do the 3-inch exhaust and go from there. Successful installation. He's really happy. Sounds really good. So yeah guys, hope you enjoyed. That'll pretty much do it for today's video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.